This year, holiday entertaining is taking on a whole new mindset. And today, Howard shows us a fun new approach with his recipe for secret ingredient stuffed mushrooms in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Today, we're sharing a holiday dish with its own little secret. So, what do we serve? Serve what I call main dish appetizers. Let me show you one of my favorite recipes that'll be perfect. It's stuffed mushrooms that have a secret ingredient. We start by dusting some catfish with seafood seasoning and baking it off. The reason I like using U.S. farm-raised catfish is that it's super mild, so it complements the other ingredients, yet it's firm enough to help them hold their shape. Plus, it's packed with protein, so it fills you up. Yes, that's the secret ingredient. While that bakes, we beat together cream cheese, mayo, scallions, some panko breadcrumbs, Worcestershire sauce, Swiss cheese, and a few spices. After the catfish has cooled, we flake it and fold it into our cheesy mixture. This is what turns regular stuffed mushrooms into a main dish appetizer. We spoon this into Baby Bella mushroom caps, top them with some panko breadcrumbs that we mix with a bit of paprika, and bake them off. The minute you set these out, everyone will be headed to the table. With these, you'll be known as the host or hostess with the mostest. To get the recipe for our secret ingredient stuffed mushrooms, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a secretly stuffed way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Well, you can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.